Hello everyone and welcome again to this new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you could reset your PC or your computer. So we'll have to go to the search tab, or we can go to the Windows menu and we'll click on the settings option, and there we will look for update and security, and here we will click on the recovery, and here we will click reset this PC. We will be prompted to select two choices. Choose an option, keep my files or remove everything. So personally I want just to keep my files, and to delete rest I will click keep my files, and here it says this won't take long, and after that we'll be prompted to take other options if they are available, so we'll have to wait. Please note that this operation might take few minutes if you have just few files on your computer, to up to an hour if you have too many files. So here it says resetting will remove all applications and programs, change settings back to their defaults, reinstall with the Windows without removing your personal files. This will take a while and your PC will restart. I like this option, so I will just click reset now, and this will take, it says this will take a few minutes and your PC will restart. So you will have to wait until it's finished, and then the reset should be performed automatically. Now it says that the computer will restart, and my computer will be restarting, and this should be fine because the reset is over. So now Windows is just finalizing the setup. Now the Windows is restarting. You might see also this black window, so it says resetting this PC, and this should take 2 to 5 minutes as a maximum before you are enabled to use your computer again. You will have to be patient, as the operation takes, as I said, from few seconds to few minutes up to maximum 1 hour if you have too many files, and this is due to the speed of your computer, how big is the RAM of your computer, and also the type of your processor. If people has i5 or i7 processor, the process will be faster for them than those who have just i3 or below. Now the reset has finished and we're almost there, so the computer is just restarting. So now guys, the reset is over and my computer has restarted and I can use it as normal. Thank you for watching. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us by email or via comment, and we will do our best to help you. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to press like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thanks for watching again, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.